How to turn off voicemail on Androids. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, we'll be guiding you on how to disabling the voicemail on the Android devices. So let's get started. To begin, you have to locate and open your phone's dialers app. Look for the three dot icon positioned either in the lower right corner of the screen or in the upper right hand side of the screen. From there, you will find the settings, and from the menu that appears within the settings, navigate to the additional settings option if there is one. Otherwise, you will directly find the voicemail option. And once you find the voicemail option and you tap on it, if your voicemail is currently set to your number, simply delete this information and confirm by tapping OK. But if it's not, just let it be. Voicemail should now be disabled on your device. So that's all for today's tutorial on turning off your voicemail on your phone. We appreciate you tuning in, and remember to stay connected. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials.